We recommend you read the use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only. During the washing cycle, your washer will make some noises depending on the cycle stage. This sound means that the washer is filling the basket with water. If you listen to this sound, the cycle is changing from one stage to another. It can be from the wash stage to spin, or from spin to the rinse stage. And finally, you will listen to this sound when the water is draining. Remember that these sounds are normal, and they mean that the washer is working properly.